Hi guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I'll show you guys how you can integrate PayPal with WooCommerce. So I was doing integration for my client, and the client wanted me to connect the WooCommerce with PayPal. So I thought to record this experience with you guys. I'm going to hide all of the links and email from the customer because I'm not allowed to share that. It's a confidential information. But I'll walk you through step-by-step process on how you can connect WooCommerce with PayPal very easily in this video. So without further ado, let's get into the screen so I can show you guys. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have this link opened, and you won't find this plugin in WordPress repository. I tried finding some plugins for WooCommerce PayPal payments, but all of them were like having really bad reviews. So I thought to try this one, and it was working fine. And now I'm recording this for you. Okay, so all you have to do is just first register and then log in. Once you're logged in, you will have the option to download. It will take you to the cart and it will give you the plugin files. I already have the files downloaded, and that's the website where I'm gonna upload the plugin file and integrate the PayPal. Okay, so I'm going to click on add new and upload my plugin. Upload plugin, choose file, and that's the plugin which I have downloaded. That's the files which are provided by WooCommerce, right? So I'm going to click on open and then click on install now. Click on activate plugin. And now once you activate the plugin, you'll have this strip on top showing up where you'll have connect your account link. All you have to do is just click on that. And now you have the option to activate the PayPal. So all you have to do is just click on activate PayPal after logging into your PayPal account. So I'm already logged in to the PayPal account of my client, which I am connecting with my client website, right? So you can alternatively add in the manual information. So if you click on toggle to manual credential input, you can add email address, merchant ID, client ID, and secret ID. If you add all of the info, you don't need to log into PayPal account. But if you have the login from your client, if your client trusts you, you can directly connect that by clicking on activate PayPal button. Okay, so I'm going to click on activate PayPal. And now there's a pop-up opened where you should see the email address of your PayPal email. And then all you have to do is just click on next button. And add in the password. After logging in, it will ask you permission to allow WooCommerce to connect with your PayPal account. And I'm going to click on agree and connect. And that's it. Your PayPal is integrated with WooCommerce. So it was that simple. All you had to do is just log into your PayPal account, add the appropriate plugin. I'm going to share the link of that plugin, and I'm going to also provide you the files. Just let me know in the comments below PayPal plugin files, and I'll share the file link with you. Okay, so I'm going to click on go back to WooCommerce, and now it's gonna reload. And here we go. As you can see that on my screen, it says status connected. Okay guys, that's it for the video. In this video, I showed you guys how to easily connect your PayPal with your WooCommerce. It's very simple. All you have to do is just upload the plugin and click on activate button. You can alternatively add manual credentials like live email address, live merchant ID, client ID, and secret key. So that's an alternative way. If you are a developer and you don't have access to customer PayPal account, you can request your client about this information and connect WooCommerce website with the PayPal. So that's it for the video, guys.